Guys, let me give you 3 common mistakes that people make when starting intermittent fasting. Number 1, people think just because they're intermittent fasting, they get to consume whatever they want. Proper food and nutrition is essential. What gives us energy and helps us function. Just like you put the right fuel in your car, you want to do the right fuel for your body as well. Number 2, people think they consume things like 0 calorie or 0 sugar and think it's okay and not breaking their fast. Couldn't be further from the truth. Generally speaking, things that say 0 sugar are just replaced with artificial sweeteners. It can still create an insulin response in your system and get you out of that fasting mode. And common mistake number 3, the 16-8 method is working well for you. You feel like you need to lose more weight, and so you up it to 18 or 20-hour fast. Longer fasting doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to lose more weight. Fasting could do the opposite and actually be putting your body in a safe zone or storage mode. This generally happens when you're not consuming enough throughout the day. So if you want to do intermittent fasting right, do a 16-8 method and get healthy foods in your system. Don't do anything that says 0 sugar or 0 calorie.